Hi everyone. Well, I'm here to do another page in my glue book or the planner, and I haven't really got caught up yet, but I'm hoping to. So I've got things kind of ready. So I'm not going to take forever to get this video done and make you watch the whole darn thing. So I've pretty much got everything ready to glue down, and that's what I'm going to do. So how's everyone doing? What are you working on? Hope you're crafting. Of course, you won't be at this time that I'm doing this video because it's late. I'm kind of a night person. I've said that before, I think. I think that's good there. I'll get my little cloth. Find a cloth better than a paper napkin. Doesn't scratch or anything, so my cloth will work good. And this one's going there. I know I'm off screen probably. Sorry. So much stuff on my desk, it's ridiculous. No, it's got to come over to about there. And just give it a press down. Oh, didn't get any glue on here. That should be good now. Okay. So then, okay, so we got an illustration. A person, here's my girl. Something round. Not sure where I'm putting that yet. A shoe. Music sheet. Where did I put that? I had it out here. I thought I did. Probably hit the floor or something. Yeah, it did. Here we go. And I think I'll just tear a little bit more off that so it's not just so perfect. Just wondering. Yeah, I never figured out where I was putting everything yet, and that sometimes can take time. I think I might just put it down here. It's not so perfect. And her, I think I'm gonna put here somewhere. But I want to ink her, I think. I really should have inked the music sheet. Darn it. But that's okay. Yeah, probably there, I think. And then I might just put, I don't know. And I don't know where I'm putting the shoe. Maybe in here somehow. Because it's a sticker. So I can peel it off, put some glue on it, and kind of put it there, and it'll kind of be out of the way. Or maybe I'll put it, yeah, I think I'll put it down in here. Illustration, a person, something round, a shoe, music, sheet music, and the wrapping kind of paper, if that was the bonus. But I have everything, so yeah. I'll put her up just a little bit more. And I can put this little round thing right there. Okay, so let's get her down. I can't remember where I said I was putting her, but I guess that's where she's going. And her little circle, the circle of flower. Just a little circle flower here. I don't know where I'd planned on doing that. I think just off the side of her, right there. And the shoe, I'm going to put some glue on that because I don't trust that sticker stuff. So, oh, I forgot to ink it. Can you believe it? I can't do it now. I wanted to put it kind of over. Oh, I'm going to try and ink it because it's really going to be blendy. Darn it. This makes it tough with glue on the other side. That's okay. I'll get her. It's even a little bit. It's better than nothing. Okay, let's just see. I better put some more glue on that. I think I best do that. I think I'll just put it right there. And I'm wondering if it needs anything more. Geez, it looks like I'm all beat up, eh? I got a steam burn from a pot of potatoes, and wow, did that ever leave a mark on me? Isn't that crazy? Yeah, steam burns are bad. They hurt a lot too. So, I wonder if I should do some stamping. Just wonder. I got some new stamps. Yeah, I might use this one. Just a bit of a text, script text stamp. I don't know which is up or down, or I don't think it matters. Just get something on there. Just a little bit here and there. Don't want to get anything on her face though. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Just put that up there for now. Still think like it needs something else, but I think I was going to do something with this to kind of, I think I will. I'm going to glue this over top that. Yeah, just bring both sides together kind of that way. Let me look. It's like it needs more, I don't know. I don't think I want to use that. Let's see what I got in here. Anything? Wonder if that does anything. It's already so flowery. I just don't know. I don't even know. Just let me look here. Look in my box here, see what I've got. Oh yes. I could have put that there instead, but it's actually got a paper clip on the back of it, so let's see, what else have I got in here? Oh, I wonder if one of my little numbers would look good in here. Should have put it under something, but it doesn't necessarily have to be under anything. And the color's good. Just trying to pick a spot for it that it's going to enhance something, make something better. I kind of like it there, so I'm going to put it there. Okay. I won't use that. I don't think I can do much more than I've done. I've got some other things that I've made here, but they're just not going to work. So yeah, I've got a lot of things, little things, and Mary. Yeah, that's got to go somewhere else. I'm doing a Christmas journal, but what's this? That's pretty too, but not for this page. It needs to stay flat, I think. So I guess that's it. So that's 10. That's week 10. Now I have to work backwards. Oops. Yeah, I have to work backwards. This is where my printer goofed up. So I still have week 9. I'll have to do something on this page, but week 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4 yet to get caught up with. So, yeah. I gotta work on those to get caught up, but I'm going to try to stay caught up from now on and work back to get those pages finished. So I hope you enjoyed it. Bye now.